And that's what you have to do. If you want to play in the NFL, you have to play by the NFL rules, right? Are they always right? Mm-mm. But if you want to play, that's what you got to do, right? Same thing. You want to play baseball. Whatever game you playing, you better know how to play it. You better know the rules. So same thing with this notary thing. It's a business. It's not a game. But I'm just saying, I'm using the analogy that you got to know what's up. Even in Georgia, I get a lot of people, well, I can only charge $2. How can you make money? You got to be with the people who know what to do. If you can't figure it out yourself, that's why you got to pay somebody to help you figure it out. Okay. And that's just facts. It's just facts. I could not find anybody to teach me about being a notary in the state of Georgia. One person. And even he was like, well, Kim, I had talked to you a couple times. So, I do have a little mini session. And I paid him. I took his mini session. But he still didn't have all the game that I needed because he wasn't even doing the game like I do it. How about that? So once I figured it out, I have over 1,000 videos here on this channel, literally. Some of them are, kind of mixed and replays and stuff, but it's still 1,000. And I give you all the sauce. Now, the rest of it, we got to get in mentorship. Because I had somebody ask me that too recently. They were like, well, Kimmi, you give away so much money, so much information here on YouTube. Why would I need to join the mentorship? Somebody gave me the perfect answer last week. Somebody put in our group chat, they said, Kimmi, I loved all your free information on YouTube, but I didn't have a business until I joined mentorship. I loved it. I loved it. That just really touched me. So Carolina, you got to learn how to play the game. North Carolina, Clarice. Okay. So there are workarounds to everything. Everything. People got mad at Trump because he paid $75 in taxes, or $750, I think it was, a few years ago. He knows how to play the game. You got to know the rules. Just because you're playing the game don't mean you're not playing by the rules, right? Most of us don't know the rules. We don't know the rules of anything because we don't read. We don't do our homework. Ain't nobody talking to us. We don't want to get in community. When you get in community, that's when things happen. I am the creator of the Notary Educators Business Success Mentor community. I have grown my business based on being with the people in the community. Yeah, I have. I have learned so much. My sister will be here in a minute. I want to eat a banana before she comes. Yep, I have learned so much. So I've grown my business from the community. So when I say that, each one teach one, it's not just words. It is facts. Okay? It's not just cliches and little sayings and all that. It's facts. I got to take some water with me. I got to get my notary bag. Let me go ahead and get my bag. Yeah, so you too want to be with the people where it's happening. Okay? You really do. I should just drive. I could have picked her. I'll let her drive. Shoot. Because I got to get my bag out the car. You know what? I'm going to take my other shoes because I'm going to worship today too. Hold on. Yeah, let me take these shoes. Hold on, y'all. You know what? I might just have her bring me back past here. Oh, I'll just wear these. Shoot. I'm sorry. I'm so indecisive. I really didn't want to wear this little heel in the job. But anyway, so like I was saying, though, you learn so much by being in community. So it's not just about, move that up a little bit. You learned a lot by being in community. We have people here in the chat. They can tell you. They learned so much. Each one teach one. We learned about, it's so many different things. I can't even go over it, but I will give you one more because I used it yesterday. My client loved it, and a lot of people do. It's a little cooler here today in Georgia. The Google review card that came from one of our students. So I already knew about it, but I wasn't using it. I hadn't bought one yet. And I bought that thing, and it's changed my reviews. So I'm going to eat this while I'm on camera, because I got to get ready to go. But anyway, so I was able to start increasing my reviews because I already asked for reviews. Y'all already know. But when I got that card, it made the process simpler. So that's the Google review card. There is a free, a lot of free resources for notary educators. Because it's not just all about trying to collect money. I want you to know what you're doing, and then I can help you. So get the free notary supply list. Jeff can't stand the strings on the banana. But get the free notary supply list. And on that list is that Google review card. And that'll help you to get more reviews. When you get more reviews, see how it's a big circle. That builds people trusting you. You get that Google page built up, get that Google review card, ask your clients for reviews, and then the next person's going to read it. You don't know how many people I get just because they looked at my reviews. They're like, your reviews are amazing. I said, well, I hope we delivered. They were like, yes, you did. And that motivates me too to do even a better job for my next client. So I don't deal in negative reviews because I try to provide 5-star service every time. I gotta put my shoes on every single time, right? So that's what I teach you to do too. You want to make sure you're providing 5-star service. I'm trying to do too much. Let me eat this banana and then put my shoe on. So yeah, get those reviews, guys, because people are reading them. Okay, my appointment today. Let's talk about that. So where we're going now is at 1:30. And it's a power of attorney. It's a power of attorney. Sorry about that. It's a power of attorney, and we're going to the hospital. I needed to provide one witness. Now, typically, I would take my husband and get all the money, hopefully. But because I'm teaching my sister the business, I'm letting her do the job today, and I'll be her witness. I'm going to let her get the bulk of the money. And I'm trying to just infuse her energy, too. She's doing great, but she works full-time. And she's in the process of simplifying her job a little bit, shortening the hours. And a lot of you work full time and you're getting it done. So I try not to spoil her in the sense that she has me right here to help her, right? And I'm making her do everything like everyone else. I'm not giving her any special treatment. I wanted to order her business cards for her yesterday, and I decided not to. I decided not to. Because I need her to order her own everything, buy her own everything. And she's doing it just like you guys. Clarice, you're welcome. If you guys have any questions, I see we got a lot of new people. Like the video for me. Yeah, I see we got a lot of new people. If you have any questions. But, yeah, so I'm making her do everything. She's paying for mentorship. I didn't want to charge her for mentorship. I kept hearing my mother like, you charging your sister? You charging your sister? But then I could also hear my mother saying, well, she got to pay, just like everybody else. So it was mixed, but she offered, and I said, we came to a nice agreement. So, because if you don't pay, you don't pay attention. If you don't pay, you don't pay attention. When you start putting your money behind something, then you pay attention. You do. It's facts. It's facts. So a lot of times people will say, and not to me a lot, because I don't charge a lot for everything. I try to be very fair with people. Oh yeah, I learned that one from a lot of my my mentors on YouTube. They charge like 20,000, 100,000, 200,000. I'm not paying them. I'm just watching them on YouTube. But that's true though. Sammy SG says that's a good one. Yes. For real, Sammy, when you pay attention. So that's why I wanted this to be true for her. I wanted this to be a business for her. And she's doing it just like everybody else. Again, I'm not giving her no special treatment. So she's ordered her stamps. I did gift her a journal. And I did give her an acknowledgement stamp. I had an extra one. But other than that, she got to get it on her own. Mm-hmm. And just like you guys, I'm not going to just leave you out there. I help her. She comes to sessions. Mm-hmm. So she's really doing it. And it's funny because I've been doing this now for almost 6 years. I think sometimes to myself, what if she would have started when I started? But she wasn't ready. Some of you have been watching me for 3 or 4 years. Mm-hmm. Some of y'all been with me from day one, still are not doing your business. I appreciate you being here. I do. But I want you to win. That's why I come on here. I want you to win, you know?